Houston, we have a traffic problem. The roads are packed and the congestion is real. Every day, thousands of cars flood the highways, creating a maze of vehicles that can be daunting to navigate. It's big, it's busy, and it's full of drivers. From dawn till dusk, the streets are alive with the hum of engines and the honking of horns. It's a city that never sleeps, especially when it comes to traffic. Millions of people on the roads mean you gotta be careful. Each driver is on their own mission, and sometimes it feels like a race against time. Patience and vigilance are your best allies. Driving in Houston isn't a joke. It's serious business. The intersections are tricky, and the highways can be unforgiving. One wrong move, and you could find yourself in a tight spot. We're talking about your safety, folks. Buckling up is just the start. Defensive driving is a must, and always being prepared for the unexpected can make all the difference. The key is to stay focused. Distractions can be deadly, so keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Every second counts when you're behind the wheel. You can't control the other drivers, but you can control yourself. Adjust your mirrors, check your blind spots, and always be ready to react. It's a game of anticipation and quick thinking. Be alert, be aware, and be ready for anything. Whether it's a sudden stop, a lane change, or an unexpected obstacle, staying sharp can keep you safe. That's how you make it home safe every day. By being cautious, prepared, and focused, you ensure that you and your loved ones arrive home without a hitch. Safe driving, Houston. Defensive driving is the name of the game. Keep a safe distance. The more space you have, the more time you have to react. Check your blind spots. Don't assume someone is there. Make sure. Always use your turn signals. Let people know what you're doing. Anticipate other drivers' actions. Don't assume they'll do what you expect. Highways are like the fast lane of life in Houston. Merge carefully, folks. Use your mirrors, check your blind spots, and get up to speed. Keep a safe following distance. Tailgating is a big no-no. Intersections can be tricky. Approach with caution. Look both ways, even if you have a green light. Section 4. Houston weather. Rain or shine, drive safe. Houston's weather can be unpredictable, and driving in these conditions requires extra caution. Rain in Houston can be a real pain. The roads can become slippery and visibility can be significantly reduced, making it challenging to navigate through the city safely. When the roads are wet, slow down. Reducing your speed helps maintain control of your vehicle and reduces the risk of hydroplaning. Increase your following distance even more. Use your headlights. This ensures that you have enough time to react to sudden stops and that other drivers can see you clearly. If it's foggy, slow down and use your low beams. High beams can reflect off the fog and make visibility worse. Remember, safety first. It's better to arrive late than not at all. If the weather is really bad, it's okay to pull over and wait it out. Find a safe spot to park and turn on your hazard lights. Your safety and the safety of others on the road is the top priority. Section 5. Distracted driving. A recipe for disaster. Put the phone down. No text, no call, no social media is worth your life. Distracted driving is dangerous. Focus on the road, not your phone. Keep your eyes on the prize, and the prize is getting where you need to go safely. Your life depends on it. Section 6. Emergency preparedness. Be ready for anything. In a bustling city like Houston, you never know what might happen on the road. Have an emergency kit in your car. It's essential to be prepared for any situation that might arise while you're driving. Water, snacks, a flashlight, a first aid kit, these are just the basics. Consider adding a blanket, jumper cables, and a multi-tool. You never know when you might need them. Know what to do in case of an accident. Accidents can be stressful, but having a plan can make all the difference. Stay calm, call for help, and don't admit fault. It's crucial to exchange information with the other driver and document the scene. Be prepared, folks. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Being prepared can provide peace of mind and ensure your safety on the road.